In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a free website using Canva and also how you can create a free link in bio using Canva. I've got the Canva app up and running, and from here you can click on websites at the top and they're going to give you a load of examples of different ones that you can do. There's this one first, which is like a link in bio, so we'll just open that up. And then if you want to see what it looks like on mobile, we can do preview, select mobile, and as you can see, you can just create like a link in bio for yourself. From here we can, so if I go back and close the preview, from here we can link off to, say, if you've got a store or a YouTube channel or an Instagram, whatever you want, you can link off to it and change the text and the wording, whatever you want. So there's all these different types of websites that you can do. We've got portfolio, so some of them have movement on them. This one's really cool. It's got like different sections in it, so you can just edit it however you want. And then say if we want to publish website, just use a free domain, do a subdomain, so media, marketer. We'll just say home. You can fit this on, it probably help SEO, but I'm just going to publish for now. And then that's your new website. So if we open it up, so I've opened up the website and you can now see what it looks like. And this is live. So you can see the URL there. It's got the different sections. So these will be anchors to the different areas. So each of these sections are like a navigation. So if you want to see essentially your navigation, you can click on grid down the bottom there and then rename this. It's home, about me, and that will be the navigation on your website. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe, as it will really help out my channel.